We got a shipment today. Finally, quarters came in. I say finally, it was only a week from week and a couple days from when I actually ordered them to delivery. So truck just showed up and we got it off there on the pallet. Real nice packaging by AMD. Quarters are sticking up in the top there, but there's a big cardboard surround on it. Those are the only bulky things in there. Some little parts probably down below, but they put a big buffer cardboard box around the outside of it, which I'm sure helps with shipping damage or alleviating any. So pretty excited for that. We'll get them unboxed and take a deeper look. All right, well, that was just as I expected. Pretty nice in there. Basically built a room around the more delicate things. So there's the 2 quarters and a box full of other things. So I got a few extra parts in there, and in there we got a gasket for the fuel filler, it looks like. Interior screw set. Master cylinder gasket. Looks like the fuel filler gasket. Couple J bolts for a fuel tank. Couple extra. I think I ordered 2 thinking there was 1 in the package, so extras. Window clips. Sill plate screws. I think those are door seals. We'll get those on for the once we set the quarters on. We'll want seals on the doors. And fuel cap, that's what that is. New A-body fuel cap. Let's see what that looks like. In primer, ready for body color. So all in all, good deal. Ready to make some progress on that old bird right there. All right, I couldn't wait. I had to do a quick unboxing to see what the quarter looked like inside that nice box. And I continue to talk about their packaging, but that was really above standard, I guess I'd say. They've got backside of this box is all tied together with strings and loops to nicely secure every little corner of the quarter panel. So I don't see even the slightest little ding. Obviously that can be part credit to the shipper, but at the same time, the way those boxes are set inside this other giant pallet box, super protected. So kudos to AMD for good packaging and what looks like a pretty darn good product. Everybody else says they fit better than anything else, and so far that's my experience. I'm sure this will be the biggest test, but no reason to think that won't continue. That's just a quick update for the exciting Christmas after Christmas in February, but I'll update again once we get some progress going. But for now, new parts. Good day. Thanks for watching.